Howdy, y'all. I'm back in the shop again as Crochet Palooza continues. Not sure if Crochet Palooza is the best term. What other terms are there for a bonanza of crochet hook making, perhaps? Hook stock, maybe? I think, though, if I call it hook stock, I might have to start charging $15 for a bottle of water, and riots might ensue, and that wouldn't be good for anything. So for now, I think I'm going to stick with Crochet Palooza. I'm backed up on special orders thanks to my little moment of TikTok fame, which is both a blessing and a curse at the same time. Lots of people want your stuff, but all of a sudden you got to make a whole lot of stuff. So here I am chewing away on crochet hooks again. This is one of my special orders. The request was for a pair. One blue, one something blue, one something purple. This is the purple one, starting out with a piece of birch burl. If you watch any of my videos, they're all pretty much the same thing. I spin a block of some type of hard material really fast and start attacking it with a really sharp piece of metal, and eventually something comes out that hopefully fits the hand nice and looks even prettier. And then I slap a bunch of layers of finish on it and sand most of that finish back off, leaving just this lovely shiny little film to protect and beautify and yada yada yada. Well, here's the second piece of the special order. This is the blue one. This is a piece of maple burl. Can't go wrong with maple, especially figured. Gorgeous stuff. Dye really pops the character in this wood. And so I just keep chewing away on this as well. And polish, 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 etc., etc., etc. And I would like to take this chance to ask you to please follow me over here on this account of mine. I'm hoping to hit 1,000 followers so I can start doing this stuff live. That'd be cool, maybe. I think it'd be interesting for me at least. But anyway, I'd appreciate it. And here's the blue one, blue and white, maple burl. That's the purple one, birch burl, purple and gold resin, etc., etc. Like I said, these are already spoken for. They'll be shipping out real soon. And but I'll keep making crochet hooks for a while. So thanks.